Epic rain slash thunderstorm. It's thundering a little bit, but it's mostly rain in December in Indianapolis. It's actually okay. It's really weird December weather because it's like in like the 50s, 60s. I think the lowest it's gotten this year is like the 40s, which is really weird. I mean, it snowed like once in November, but that was it. And yeah, it's just, I mean, it's really weird. I think it has something to do with El Nino, which means they're probably going to have plenty of tornadoes in the spring, which we are definitely overdue for some tornado warnings here. I think we got a ton in 2011, maybe one in 2012, maybe one in 2013, and there was one in 2014, and we got a close call, but luckily there wasn't any tornado. I think one did touch down in Plainfield. And then in 2015 there wasn't even any tornado warnings. Like there's an EF1, EF2 tornado down like in the south side of Indianapolis. But like apparently the tornado sirens never went off because the storm was too fast moving that they didn't even bother sounding the sirens, which if you ask me, it's pretty stupid because it's a tornado warning. You have to sound the sirens for a tornado warning. So I'm just gonna leave the camera out here and catch the action. Alright, my camera is completely wet. I don't know how it's working anymore, but I don't know if you guys saw it, but those branches back there, they just like snapped off the tree when it was windy, and I'm just going to stop this now because it's obviously too windy for my camera to be out here.